For this next example, we have a 2 by 3 matrix being multiplied by a 3 by 2 matrix. These inner numbers do match, so I can definitely multiply these together, and the answer will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So I will usually draw that ahead of time, and mentally I'm going to have these like places where my answers are going to go. It should be a 2 by 2 matrix, so 2 rows by 2 columns, and I've got to fill in each one of these entries. And each entry will be, like I'll always use the rows from this one, the rows from this one, and the columns from this one to fill in each entry. So if I were filling in this entry is first row, first column, so I will use first row, first column, always multiplying the first things together, the next things together, the next things together, and adding that up. I'm going to pause this and do that calculation. You pause it too. So to find that first row, first entry, using this first row, this first column, 2 times -1 plus 2 times 1 plus -1 times 5 ends up being a total of -5. Now, to find this entry, which is in the first row, second column, I'm going to use the first row, second column. So I'll multiply the first entry of each, the second entry of each, the third entry of each, and add all that stuff up and put it right there. Pausing video now. So my calculations would look something like this, and the total sum ends up being +5, +5. Moving on to this entry is the second row, first column. So I'm going to use the second row, first column, multiply these, plus multiply these, plus multiply these, which is going to give us what? -3 plus -4 is -7, plus 0 still is -7. And then for the last one, this is second row. Whoops. This is second row, second column. So I'm using second row, second column. Multiply these 12 plus 6 plus 0, 18. That's the final answer. Yeah, so if you have any questions about that, shoot me an email and I'll do my best to answer. Good luck.